Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making spicy goat meat rice. Very delicious. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to cook my goat meat, which I washed nicely. I'm going to add seasoning powder, chopped onions, thyme, curry powder and salt. I'll mix very well to combine. Cover and allow it to cook for 8 minutes before adding water.
Delicious.
8 minutes later, I will add water, cover and allow it to cook very well. Once that is done, I will transfer in a baking tray and grill in my preheated oven. You can also fry if you prefer.
Delicious.
The next step is to cook my rice. In a pot, I added goat meat stock. Next, I will add my well-washed rice, chopped onions, ginger and garlic. I will stir well to combine and taste for salt. Please feel free to skip what you don't like because I notice that some people don't like ginger in their rice. So do what is best for you. Thank you. At this time, I check on the rice and it has cooked nicely. I'm going to set it aside. Next, I check on the goat meat and it has grilled very well. I will also set aside for later use. The next step is to make pepper sauce for the goat meat. In a preheated oil, I will add my pepper mix, the combination of Scotch bonnet pepper, onions and some tatache. Please add pepper to your taste. Thank you. I will season with seasoning powder and salt. Mix very well to combine and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will add my chopped peppers, red and green bell peppers, all-purpose seasoning. Next, I will add the grilled goat meat. I will mix very well to combine and begin to add the cooked rice gradually. Mix until well combined.
Delicious.
I will be adding spring onions for garnishing. Mix very well to combine and we are done. This recipe turned out well and is so delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!